Ayan. Green color. Ang yan ang heat torch na niya. Oh, green color. What the heck? Heat torch nito. Nawala ng buwan. Ay, nagtabunan. Nawala na ang moon. Ano ngayon? Mapangod. Kagabi maganda ang clear sky kagabi. Last night is so clear the sky, but now is cloudy. Look, if you look at the sky is cloudy. Nawala na yung moon. The moon is covered by the sky, clouds. By clouds the sky. Ano ba yung moon? Where's that? I've seen meteor last night. Na kuan ba yung bulalakaw ba? Nakita ko bulalakaw kagabi. Nag-wish sana. Pero bigla kasi yung magtagak yung bulalakaw eh. Kailangan pag tagak wish agad. Mag-wish ka, bigla ka mag-wish ba? Mag-wish ka kaagad. Pag may kakita ka ng if you see a meteor, you have to make a wish. It will come true. You have to make a wish, guys, if you see a meteor falling from the sky.
Oh.
Gun.
Outside.
Gun the peanut. Noon kasi I always make a wish when there's a meteor shower. You have to make a wish. Wish ko magka 1 million views. 1 million views on YouTube. 1 million subscriber. Hindi na ako nangisda ngayon eh. Hindi na ako nangisda ba kasi malagas. Bahira na ako mangisda ngayon. Kung paan mag-subscribe lang yung mga tao kung if you keep uploading video, ma-recognize ka ng mga tao. Just keep uploading a good video. The people will recognize your video and they will subscribe to you. Ayan, suba nagbulad. Luto na. Bulad o kuan ba ginamos. Lami ang bulad kung ano yung ay ano ba?
You what you say?
Pancit noodles.
You what?
What?
You doing what?
He eat.
Are you eating them all, are you?
Ay ano ko highlight ko